Man attempts to assassinate Donald Trump. Hey guys, welcome back to I.O. I'm Charlotte, thanks for tuning in. Alright, let's get to it. We all knew this was coming, people. It was only a matter of time before someone attempted to assassinate Donald Trump. I know we got some Trump supporters that are gonna be really angry in the comments after I said that, but let's be honest, people really hate him. A 19-year-old dude was arrested in Las Vegas at the Donald Trump rally after he tried to steal a gun from a police officer and intended to kill the presidential candidate. According to the Secret Service, Michael approached a Las Vegas police officer and said that he wanted Trump's autograph. That's when he tried to take his gun out of the holster. His name was Michael Sanford and he's originally from the UK. He was charged with an act of violence on restricted grounds and was denied bail. Michael was living out of his car at the time and was actually an illegal US resident. He had remained in the United States after his visa expired. Michael has not entered a plea. Everywhere this guy goes, he attracts protesters and violence. Michael actually stopped at a gun range on his way to Trump's rally to practice his shot. He practiced firing 20 rounds from a 9mm Glock pistol. After he was detained, he admitted to wanting to kill Trump. Okay, so the fact that he admitted to the assassination attempt is a huge deal. He really wanted Trump and everyone to know. Apparently, Michael was trembling during his court hearing and wore leg irons. According to his appointed public defender, he was not mentally ill. He does, however, have a form of autism and has also attempted to commit suicide in the past. Sanford's mother also told the court researchers that he had been treated for OCD and anorexia in the past. Sanford had no previous criminal record. He actually purchased a ticket to another Trump rally in Phoenix just in case he could not follow through with assassinating Trump in Las Vegas. He allegedly had been planning this assassination for almost a year. I do not think this will be the last time that someone tries to assassinate Trump. Okay guys, that is all I have for you on this. Thank you for watching I.O. If you enjoyed that video, click that like button for me, maybe follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and there's another great video for you floating right over here if you want to keep watching I.O.